Alright, hello. What's up guys? My name is Haidar and today I'm going to take you with me on a work journey. It's gonna take a lot of time, but not in the video because I'm gonna speed it up. So what I'm going to do is upgrade this baby up. It's my electric bicycle with a 1000 watts BBSHD. This is shit. This is gonna have to go. These are my toolbox. So yeah, enjoy the show. So this is how the bicycle looked like before the upgrade. After spending a couple of hours, actually a day on it, that's how it looks. New chain, new wheel, new gear set. I went with inner hub and I'm using the rear derailleur as a chain tensioner. It works great. Scrub this off, 3 gears, everything works. It runs on the chip. Yes, if you need any tutorial or tips or tricks on how I did this baby, hit me up. Peace.